Today I'm up in the Galtee Mountains. I'm going to head up Galtee Moor. It's 917 metres and it's the highest mountain in the Galtees. The weather forecast is for -7 and 40 km/h winds, so I'm hoping it's wrong, but that's what I was saying it is at the summit. It's absolutely stunning out here this morning. The sun is just coming up there in front of me. I have a bit of food to cook for my lunch, so after me hike I'm going to find somewhere nice to sit down and cook that up. Very windy up here now. Summer's just up there behind me, in the clouds. I have been up this height before, but there's a false summit down below, there's another one here, and then there's the rest of the mountain, which is absolutely gigantic. I cannot wait to have my cup of tea. I'm going to find a nice little spot just over the other side on the way down. That's another thing, I can't wait to be going down instead of up. Yeah, it's not too bad. There's a few steep bits, it's very wet, and you kind of have to dip off the trail just to get around the wet patches that are really deep. I nearly lost the trekking pole in one testing it out. It was absolutely wild up on the summit. The cliff edge must be covered in ice and it was all blown up. Just little chunks of ice blown up. It's like really sharp hailstones. So it's kind of cutting the eyes out of you. Hopefully we can find the views again. But for the moment we're in the clouds. Coming down now into the forest because I want to have my tea and want to have my lunch because yeah, I think I deserve it. I brought something a bit unconventional. I actually brought 2 steaks with me. I'm looking forward to having them. I couldn't see a safe route down into the forest, so I just changed my plans. I'm just walking up by this wall here now. I'm going to have my steak, I'm going to have my tea, and I'm going to really push on then for the end. So in future I'm going to bring proper trail food. I'm not going to bring a steak out every time. It just takes too long, and the trail food you can kind of eat on the go. So yeah, I'll be doing that in future. I'm absolutely delighted that I got it cooked. I'm going to eat it now. I'm actually going to skip the tea and I'm going to leave it here because I need to be getting out of here, and I'm nearly back at the car. So thanks again for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.